I completed my degree in BCA in Devanama College for months, and after completing my college, my friend referred me to go to QSpiders, and after come to QSpiders, I take the Java full stack development course, and that first I started the learning of to SQL. SQL learned with Sangeet sir. He teach very clearly, and then I understand about the JDB's database, and then after completing my SQL course, I came to Java. I will learn Java with Nandi sir. In Nandi sir teach me about what are the hooks and then connection. After completing the Java course, I went to web technology. In that Tamil sir taught me the web technology, how to develop an application like that, and then I go for advanced Java. Advanced Java taught by Amit sir.